I just thought that with the same table, I can also explain you the scenario that what happens if you want to keep the same accepted rate. I have used this table to show you what happens if you want to keep the same bad rate, and I showed you that if you want to keep the same bad rate, you are able to accept a larger volume. You are able to accept roughly 6,000 extra accounts. Now let me use the same table to explain you the concept which I explained you here, the swap sheet. So if you look at, if you want to use the same table to understand what happens if you want to keep the same accepted rate, let's say 80%, you should get much smaller bad rate. So if your earlier cutoff was here, due to which you are getting the 80% of the population, you are getting rid of 6,000. Out of this 6,196, you are getting rid of these 2,485 bads. So effectively in your accepted population, you are left with 6,196 minus 2,485, 3,711 bad. And your population was roughly 48,000. 60,000 minus 12,000, it was giving you roughly 48,000 accounts. This was giving you a bad rate of 7.7%. Now let's say if you want to keep the accept rate very much like what it was, you will this time with the new model, you will get rid of these 3,606 accounts. So your new bad this time will be 6,196 minus 3,606, that will give you 2,590. That will give you a bad rate of 5.3%. If you think of using this process, you actually got rid of roughly 1/3 of the bad. 3,711 minus 2,590, that will give you 1,121. So out of this 3,711, you got rid of roughly 1/3 of the, 1/3 or slightly less than that, you got rid of those many bad accounts. And definitely those many bad accounts were replaced by good accounts, because the total accepted population remains same, and that's what is the swap sort volume. If somebody asks you what is the swap sort volume, in this case it will be 3,711 minus 2,590. That was earlier getting wrongly classified as good, now that is going into the bad, and some of those 1,100 good which were coming here in these two part of the population now will come here. So that's how it happens. So if you want to keep the same accept rate, your bad rate will go down. If you want to keep the same bad rate, you can accept much bigger population.